Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Odaf Shaha, and today I have come up with some new fresh Udemy courses for you. And as always, I say that please redeem these courses as soon as possible before they get expired. So let me get started with our today's first course, which is Artificial Intelligence and Generative AI, Volume 1. Includes more than 2 hours course time. You will check this out. Next, we have Complete AI for Professionals. That's also 11 hours, more than 11 hours course time. You may check this out. Next, we have Complete Prompt Engineering Practical course. Includes more than 8 hours. I hope you can also check this out. Then we have Effective Agentic System with Generative AI. Includes more than 1 hour's course time. So you can please redeem it as soon as possible. Recipe to Shape, become an LLM engineer with 1,000+ projects. So again, like it has 5 hours course time, includes 101 articles. This would also help you in learning AI. Next, we have NCA GenNL NVIDIA Certified Generative AI LLM Specialization, includes 2 hours course time. So this may also help you out. And please note that every courses which has courses, not practice test, will give you a free certificate of completion from Udemy. Next, we have AI and Quantum Computing Mastery from Zero to Expert. This is also free, includes more than 5 hours course time. Next, we have Mastering AI Agents Bootcamp. This includes more than 2.5 hour course time. So you may check this out as well. Then there is a custom ChatGPT publishing and AI bootcamp masterclass that includes 31 hours course time. I hope this will give you a vast knowledge. There is DeepSeek R1 AI 25 plus real world projects in AI for beginners. Includes more than 6 hours course time, coding exercises as well. Then we have Zero to Hero in Olama, which is local LLM for your local LLM application. That includes 3 hours course time in with role play. So you may check this out as well. Next, we have develop AI agents, apps, and automations. So you can also check this out. Okay. Next, we have Microsoft Power BI for beginners and Excel users. That's also free. Includes more than 4 hours time course time. Next, we have Apache Zeppelin big data visualization tool. That includes more than 6 hours time. Next, we have professional certificate in SQL and SQL for data analysis. Includes 2 hours course time. This is also free for you. Next, we have a very big course in Python programming, complete beginner to advanced course, includes more than 24 hours time. So you may check this out as well. C Sharp for beginner includes 9 hours course time. Next, we have React JS course, includes 2 hours course time. Next, we have Python for everyone, and that's like more than 6 hours course time is there. Next, we have JavaScript mastery from basic to advanced, includes 4 hours time. Next, we have agentic coding, full stack Java apps with Cursor and Copilot. This has 1 hour course time, including roleplay. Build Django website from scratch to deploy in cPanel, includes 4 hours time. Java interview preparation course includes 2 hours on demand video. Next, we have WordPress web design and freelancing masterclass, includes 5 hours course time. Next, we have complete database bootcamp for beginners, 6 courses in one. That means it's a power pack of database. So you may check this out as well. Next, who wants to study more about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint? This Microsoft Office course is going to help you. Includes more than 12 hours course time. If someone wants to learn more about cybersecurity in Hindi, so they can check this course. More than 15 hours course time is there. Next, we have cybersecurity defense with AI and Gen AI. That also includes more than 1 hour course time. Cybersecurity vulnerability testing and pen testing. You can do this course, includes 6 hours course time. And Zero to Hero in cybersecurity. So this also includes 18 hours course time. Next, we have AZ 900 Fundamentals plus free labs. That includes more than 9.5 hours course time. Next, we have Server Administration and Active Directory Fundamentals. Includes more than 2 hours course time. Then we have Practice Test from ITIL Foundation 4. Includes more than 200 questions. Nutanix Master Multi-Cloud Infrastructure Practice Exam, 40 plus questions there. Nutanix Professional Multi-Cloud Automation Practice Exam includes more than 40 questions. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner includes more than 600 plus questions. And last but not the least, Professional Certificate in DevOps includes 1 hour course. So I just tried to finish this code as soon as possible because I know like people like to see the post on a very minimal basis. That's why I tried to create this video on very short today. And hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please hit on the like button, comment if you have any feedback for me or anything to say. And please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. I daily post on free Udemy courses, free certification alerts whenever it's there, and free educational resources. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay subscribed.